Hi friends, I am Ashrafli and today we will discuss about how to insert infinitely stretchable vertical space in LaTeX software. Friends, most welcome to MATLAB LaTeX software channel, and friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it. Thanks. How to insert infinitely stretchable vertical space in LaTeX software. Backslash refill. And the current paragraph and insert a vertical ruler length that is infinite so it can stretch or shrink as far as needed. It is often used in the same way as backslash v space of curly braces backslash fill, except that backslash vfill ends the current paragraph, whereas backslash v space of curly braces backslash fill fi double l fill adds the infinite vertical space below its line, irrespective of the paragraph structure. In both cases, that space will disappear at a page boundary. To cir- circumvent this C backslash v space. In this example, the page is filled, so the top and bottom lines contain the text A B B, and the third is A B B, and here is we'll change its CC and DD is exactly halfway between them. Backslash begin document AABB we fill AABB, and third is CC DD. End document backslash end document. Now friends, now we will go to the LaTeX software and check these commands. First of all, open a new file, quick start, enter. Here is a new file, A B B backslash v fill, and then second is CC DD backslash v fill, and third is EFF. Now we will build and view. Here is A and BB, and this is CC and DD. And this is E and FF. Friends, thanks for listening me, and friends, don't forget to subscribe it and share it. Thanks.